Okay, back again. So what I did was I quickly added in an LED so that you can see how fast the pulses are. So this made it a bit easy to adjust it, and I forgot all about this thing here. So what was happening before is that it was over here, and the LED, you can see, we can't see it, but it's flashing so fast it looks like it's not flashing at all, which is too fast for this thing to work. So what we do is move it down to here, and then we've got this nice slow pulsing, and so if you can look here you can see 4 of the outputs. And so now if I move it to the input to be a positive voltage, then it slowly moves in, it's shifting in the positive, and then it can go down to here and it will shift in the, and so we can kind of go backwards and forwards and make pretty little patterns, which is what we're going to end up doing. So this is just my little supplementary video for the last one, so that you see what I'm kind of getting at. So the final video, we're just going to put this all together and we're going to make a little toy where you can turn it on and off. You'll see what I mean, it will be fun. Alright, thanks for watching, and that was the shortest video ever, but it's just so that you can see what the whole point of this bizarre thing is for. So it's a nice close-up view. So here's a good close-up view of everything as I have wired it up, if you want to do it yourself. So like that, and turning it back on, sometimes you get random data and sometimes you don't. If you turn it off you might get, but not today. You can't see it, but there's actually a syncing problem. So there is a one, it is out by 1, so it is doing that problem where when I do that it takes 2 clocks before it actually shows up. So we are going to go through one, just for the fun of it, making sure that that doesn't happen and how to avoid that. Well, one quick dirty hack way of doing it. So thanks for watching again, and bye.